My name is Ray Anderson. I'm a husband, a father, a grandfather, and I am an industrialist. Some would say a radical industrialist, which leads to the title of the book. The point of my story is deceptively simple. Business and industry, not just American business and industry, but global business and industry, must change their ways to survive. I founded my company Interface in 1973 to make carpet tiles in America for the emerging office of the future. It was an entrepreneurial dream, a startup from scratch, from just an idea. Today we're a billion-dollar corporation doing business in 110 countries with production on 4 continents and 6 countries. The business case for sustainability has become crystal clear to us over the 15 years that we've been in pursuit of this ideal goal of zero footprint. And we've found this better way to make a bigger profit in pure business terms. We found hundreds of millions of dollars in eliminating the concept of waste at Interface. We found new products, new processes, new markets, new sources of profit, and a changed mindset and new thinking. So I think it's quite conservative to say that on a national scale, many billions of dollars are waiting to be found by someone. I speak 150 times a year to audiences all over this world, and the mix of the audiences varies from strictly environmentalists all the way to strictly business people. And it's amazed me how the message resonates with people across that spectrum, because it's coming from an industrialist who's actually done it. A teacher, an environmentalist could say this, and it would fall on deaf ears. But for someone who's actually done it, it can show the results, tangible, concrete results, and make the business case for sustainability. It does cause people to listen. And truly, the substance of the book has evolved over 15 years of telling this Interface story to audiences. So I basically know what people listen to and what resonates with people. How do you climb Mount Sustainability? How do you reduce environmental impact, especially in a petrochemically intensive company? There is no really comprehensive how-to book in existence. You know, how do you do this? So this is real stuff. This is real sustainability in action. And I've tried to capture that in the book so that it becomes an important read for especially the business person who's wondering, how do I go about doing this? Yeah, where do I begin?